Set now, ready to race. Race number 3. And the race is on. Rushing up by the Rats Phenomenon Westerner, moving up Birkin on the further outside Chanel Kuto Vinegar, Emperor's Magic, moving up by the Dainty Ankles, Golden Top and Sir Jerry. Gawang Pinoy is now the leader, followed by Birkin in between runners, Phenomenon down on the inside. Dainty Ankles rushing up Westerner on the further outside Chanel Kuto, Emperor's Magic. And rounding the far turn, it's now Birkin by Alankanab, Gawang Pinoy. And on the outside, Chanel Kuto by the Phenomenon, Dainty